So I picked up some more seeds from Dollar Tree, but I wanted to show y'all some other gardening supplies that they had. So this little metal hand rake is new. It seems fine. Should be good for garden beds, raised garden beds, big containers. Like it's fine. But they also had this plastic leaf rake, which I'm assuming the handles are sold separately. These plastic trellises are new. They come in a 2-pack for climbing vines, and I would suggest only using them in containers. They're very flimsy, may not handle harsh weather or heavier plants very well, but you tell me if I'm wrong if you happen to use them with something like tomatoes or something. Now, these metal trellises could probably support something a little bit heavier and stronger than the plastic could. You could turn this plant hanger into a trellis, but it could also be used as a plant support type of thing. And if you couldn't find the plant hanger, just use the metal flagpole stand instead. If you can't find a belle cloche and squirrels and rabbits and birds are more of an issue than humidity, then look for these metal wire mesh baskets. They come in many different sizes and shapes, and you can find them in the storage and cleaning sections, the trash cans, storage baskets, all of that. And the plastic buckets or hampers or whatever might work pretty well too. So of course they have these small seed starting greenhouses, but you could also use these meal prep containers too. They come in a 2-pack, or you could turn any of these plastic storage containers into seed starting greenhouses as well. You have so many to choose from, so many different shapes and sizes. The only downside is the depth of the lid isn't that deep, so you could still definitely make it work. And the aluminum foil pans with the lid would be pretty good too. These seed starter pots are biodegradable. They will break down and turn into soil if you plant them in ground or in a raised bed or container, but you could also make your own out of newspaper if you wanted to get crafty or something. This 3-pack of makeup removing pads is new and would be good for plant maintenance, like cleaning the leaves on your houseplants, especially if you have pests. But you could also use this Kabuki makeup brush if you can't find the 3-pack. They also have this very flexible garden edger. Let me know how it works.